Here's a 2015 Ford F-150 Super Crew 4-wheel drive Platinum, 200 clean Carfax in silver. Totally tip-top line trim here on the Platinum Series F-150. This truck has everything you would ever want. We're just going to kind of walk around and show you. First of all, you can see the upgraded painted grille 3-bar. Most Ford grills are 2. You get the 3rd bar when you go to the Platinum. Also, you can see the body colored painted lower bumper fascia with chrome accents and chrome tow hooks. High intensity headlamps with the integrated fog lights. Come around to the side, you got the big 20-inch wheels, tires like new all the way around. You also can see a nice shiny rotor and thick brake pad. It's one thing we really pride ourselves here at All Things Automotive, do a used car mechanical check on all our vehicles. You can find the results of the inspection signed off by the technician that performed it in the glove box of all of our cars. First thing you'll notice, power running boards deploy when the door opens. Full power seat on the driver's side, including lumbar. Got the Platinum badge, door sill chrome entry guards. We got Platinum embroidery in the back of the seats. The upgraded premium leather, very comfortable. 2 bucket seats with console in between, and otherwise charcoal and charcoal interior with some synthetic wood grain highlights here. Also, if we pop in to the glove box, you'll see we got all the books and the wiring. Also want to show you the check report that I was speaking of here. You'll find this in the glove box, like I say, of all the cars. Tires are all like new. Brakes are new all the way around. You will not have to spend any money on routine maintenance items when you buy a vehicle from us. We want to make sure they are reconditioned to like new standards, both mechanically and cosmetically. So we look in the back. Super Crew gives you all kinds of room, and on the Platinum you also get heated rear seats, flow-through console, and 2 different power sources. So the rear occupants are treated like the front with all the amenities. So we come to the back. You also have a little small deployable step. You saw the running board go back in there for the bed. Again, all the tires match. Depths like new, no rust on the frame rails. FX4 gives you a locking rear diff, chrome exhaust tip. We do have the park sense back here on the rear painted bumper. You can see, again, more Platinum badging across the tailgate, Class 3 tow hitch, integrated wiring, backup camera, soft to no. Got your tailgate step, automatic easy drop tailgate is included with the bed extender and the bed liner. Continuing around, again, all the tires like new and match. And a look through the back, it's a very clean interior. Put my sniffer in here, smells good. No rips, tears, or stains, no odors. Previous owner seems to have been a non-smoker. All Fords give you the combo entry exit, allow you to leave the proximity key in with the engine running. Also have the touchpad to lock and unlock with the touch of a button. If the proxy key is close, see full power seat including lumbar on the driver's side as well. Also equip with memory seating. There's your power locks, power windows, power mirrors. Does have blind spot as well. And you can see it also has the puddle lights. You also have your fog light button, your cargo light button, automatic headlamp controls, power pedals, dimmer for your interior, foot pedal for your emergency brake. Let's go ahead and hop in. Simply put your foot in the brake, press the start button. While it warms up, I'll show you, we always keep a copy of the auto history report. Minor damage on the Carfax, no accidents, 2 previous owners. It also has the regular oil change badge, which means it was well maintained throughout its life. You can see all the routine maintenance records here. All the brake services and everything that was done by the previous owner, it was well cared for. The minor damage incident was on the right side. It even says minor damage is usually cosmetic, including dents and scratches to the body. Like I say, no accident, just a couple little dents and scratches, which have obviously been repaired, but we'll go around that in a little more detail here soon. As we continue the tour, we got your high beams, turn signals, and your wiper washers. Control pad for the left. We'll toggle through all your different center display items, as you can see here. We also got your cruise control. It does have radar cruise, so you can set your distance on your forward collision warning. Also has your Bluetooth sync, hands-free, and audio controls on your steering wheel. It's got your big touch screen quadrant. Is equipped with, of course, the ability to pair your phone. You got your full navigation. You'll see the map pop up here in a second. We also got your different entertainment. Different ways of connecting your music or your MP3 files. Of course, AM, FM, satellite radio, CD. You can connect through USB, Bluetooth, or your auxiliary line in. Back to the home again. Show you here all your different climate features. Got your heated and your cooled seats, as well as your heated steering wheel for the driver and passenger. Of course, we also have dual climate control. It's pretty hot out here today, so we got it on low, and let me tell you what, that air conditioning feels nice. Locking differential, part of the FX4 package. That is your electronic shift on the fly 4-wheel drive transfer case. Does have your brake proportioning valve down here as well. Also down here we got your climate analog audio controls, also your push button analogs for either your cooled or your heated seats, driver and passenger. 12-volt power supply, got your auxiliary, 2 USBs, and your SD card for your nav down there. Got your push button, ability to toggle any of the gears. It will park itself, and it has lane departure, so you have the ability to turn that on or off. Also has your 2 cup holders in the console. Huge well, removable tray here, huge well with another 12-volt. Is equipped with a full Panoramic roof over both levels of seating. Also a power rear sliding window. There's your controls for your roof and your LED map lights. Does have electronic dim on the rear view mirror, as well as your home link, and is equipped with illuminated visors both on the driver and the passenger side, as you can see there. Let's go ahead and take a look underneath at the engine. Hood releases right there. I do believe this engine is the 5.0 liter 302 V8. Something Ford's used for a long time. Tried, true, reliable. That is what we have. No exhaust leaks, no fluid leaks, no corrosion on the battery terminals, as you can see. Very well maintained by the previous owner. It looks like a new engine bay under there. Shut the truck off here. We'll get into the last portion of the video. Just to recap, all new tires and brakes all the way around on this vehicle. 2-owner vehicle with a minor damage, no accident. Last part of making informed buying decisions, Cosmetic Appearance. Just walk around, show you a couple little stone chips like that one. Anything else I see as we walk, pretty much everything we're gonna find here are just little stone chips. Little nicks, because we do have people come in professionally, remove any dents, touch up any minor scratches. So usually the only thing that's left behind is a couple little stone chips like I'm showing you here. I mean, the bumper has no dents, the tailgate has no dents. Just got some minor little chips and scratches. A couple down here by the dog leg. It's probably the worst of the damage. A little V-shaped scratch here that we've touched up on the bedside. Typically, if you do have damage on trucks, it's on the bedside or tailgate area, because let's face it, people use trucks to do truck things. Gonna haul some stuff. Gonna load and unload some stuff. Sometimes you'll get a mark or two there. Looks like the bird got us on the way in. That's actually a little bird dropping there. Got us on the way into the picture bay. We'll clean that off for you. Some of this stuff, I don't know if it necessarily is a chip. It might just be a little bit of bird. A little bit of bird got us. But I still want to show you what I see. But really, other than a few little stone chips, this vehicle is in excellent shape and will make somebody a very, very nice ride. Top of the line, crew cab, platinum edition, 15 F-150 with only 42,000 miles. If you're interested and want to treat yourself, give us a call. Area code 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales. Of course, you can always come visit us, 21518 Great Cove Road in McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania, or shop 24/7 online at www.allthingsautomotive.com. Again, my name is Kevin Richards. I appreciate your time watching this video. I hope you found it beneficial, and I wish you an excellent day.